Picture this. Me, years ago, staring into my near-empty fridge. It was one of those moments where you feel utterly defeated, like the universe is playing a cruel joke on you. A lone lemon stared back. It was almost mocking me with its bright cheery color amidst the barren shelves. My wallet? Let's just say it was thinner than a pancake. I had hit rock bottom financially, and it felt like my culinary dreams were slipping away. Healthy eating is for rich folks, I thought, munching on a sad bowl of instant noodles. It was a daily reminder of my financial struggles and my inability to afford nutritious meals. But then, something clicked. Why was I letting my budget dictate my health? I realized that I had been approaching the problem all wrong. I loved good food and I deserved to eat well regardless of my bank account balance. It was time to take control and find a way to make it work. That's when I embarked on a mission to conquer the culinary world, armed with nothing but my wits and a shoestring budget. I started researching affordable recipes, learning about seasonal produce, and discovering the magic of bulk buying. And let me tell you, it was a wild ride. There were moments of laughter, frustration, and everything in between. There were explosions, microwave popcorn, don't ask, and I quickly learned the importance of reading instructions carefully. Kitchen sink dramas, overboiled pasta, sigh, which taught me the value of timing and patience in cooking. And moments of pure culinary genius. Hello, 5-ingredient stir-fry. I discovered that simplicity could lead to delicious results. But through it all, I learned that delicious, nutritious food doesn't have to break the bank. With a bit of creativity and resourcefulness, I could create meals that were both satisfying and healthy. I started meal prepping, which not only saved me money but also time. Planning my meals in advance allowed me to make the most of my ingredients and avoid waste. I also began shopping at local farmers markets where I found fresh, affordable produce. Building relationships with local vendors helped me get the best deals and support my community. Cooking became a social activity too. I invited friends over for potlucks where everyone contributed a dish. It was a fun way to share good food and great company without spending a fortune. I invested in a few budget-friendly cookbooks and spent time experimenting with new recipes. Each success boosted my confidence and expanded my culinary repertoire. In the end, my culinary crisis turned into a journey of self-discovery and resilience. I learned that with determination and a bit of ingenuity, I could overcome any obstacle and enjoy the food I loved. So if you ever find yourself staring into an empty fridge, remember this: you have the power to turn things around. Embrace the challenge, get creative, and savor the journey. You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. And who knows? One day you might look back and realize that your culinary crisis was the best thing that ever happened to you. Let's get one thing straight. Eating healthy on a budget is not an oxymoron. It's time to debunk the myth that nutritious food is synonymous with expensive ingredients and fancy supermarkets. Think about it. What did our grandparents eat? Simple, whole foods. Fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes. These are the real MVPs of a healthy diet, and they're often the most affordable options on the shelves. Sure, that pre-packaged diet meal might seem convenient, but you're paying for the packaging and marketing, not necessarily the nutritional value. Real food doesn't need fancy labels, just a little know-how and a dash of creativity. Grocery shopping on a budget is like a game of strategy. It's all about making smart choices and planning ahead to ensure you get the best value for your money. Your mission: navigate those aisles like a pro and emerge victorious, with a cart full of nutritious goodies and a smile on your face. It's not just about saving money, but also about making healthier choices that benefit you and your family in the long run. First things first, never shop hungry. When you're hungry, everything looks delicious, and you're more likely to make impulse purchases. You're more likely to make impulse purchases and end up with a bag of chips instead of that head of broccoli. A quick snack or a glass of water before you head out can make a big difference. Plan your meals for the week, make a list, and stick to it. This not only helps you avoid unnecessary purchases but also ensures you have all the ingredients you need for healthy meals. Next, become a savvy shopper. Compare prices, read nutrition labels, and don't be swayed by fancy packaging. Sometimes the simplest products are the healthiest and most cost-effective. Check out the weekly flyers and look for deals on fruits, vegetables, and other staples. Many stores have apps that offer digital coupons and special discounts, so take advantage of these tools. Don't be afraid to explore the frozen food aisle. Frozen produce is often just as nutritious as fresh and can last much longer. This can be a great way to stock up on healthy options without worrying about them spoiling quickly. And remember, those generic brands can be just as good as the name brands, often at a fraction of the cost. Many generic products are made by the same manufacturers as the name brands, so you're getting the same quality for less money. Keep track of your spending as you shop. Use a calculator or a shopping app to tally up your total as you go. This helps you stay within your budget and avoid any surprises at the checkout. Focus on fresh produce that's in season. Not only is it usually cheaper, but it's also at its peak flavor and nutritional value. Local farmers markets can be a great place to find seasonal produce at a good price. Once you're home, organize your groceries to make meal prep easier. Store items in clear containers, label them, and keep your pantry and fridge tidy. This way you'll know exactly what you have on hand and can avoid food waste. By shopping smart and eating well, you're not just saving money, you're investing in your health and well-being. Enjoy the process and take pride in the nutritious meals you create for yourself and your loved ones. One of the biggest secrets to eating healthy on a budget is simple planning. By taking some time to plan your meals and prep ingredients in advance, you'll save time, money, and reduce food waste. Buying in bulk is your new best friend. Think rice, beans, lentils, oats. These pantry staples are nutritional powerhouses and much cheaper when purchased in larger quantities. Portion them out into containers when you get home and you'll have the foundation for countless meals ready to go. Meal prepping is another game changer. Spend a few hours on the weekend chopping veggies, cooking grains, and roasting proteins. Then, pack them into individual containers for grab-and-go lunches or easy weeknight dinners. Leftover love turning scraps into stars. Don't you dare throw away those leftovers. In the world of budget-friendly cooking, leftovers are culinary gold. Embrace your inner creativity and transform those odds and ends into delicious new meals. Roasted chicken from last night's dinner? Shred it up for tacos, salads, or a hearty soup. Overripe bananas? Hello, banana bread or smoothies? Wilting vegetables? Sauté them up with some garlic and herbs for a flavorful side dish. Remember, every scrap of food you save from the trash is money back in your pocket and a victory for the planet. Frugal foodie favorites, easy recipes to get you started. Ready to get cooking? Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, these recipes are designed to be simple, delicious, and easy on your budget. Let's dive into some culinary adventures that won't break the bank but will definitely satisfy your taste buds. Here are a few of my favorite budget-friendly recipes that are big on flavor and easy on the wallet. Asterisk black bean burgers. These are not just any burgers. They are a fantastic vegetarian option that even meat lovers will appreciate. These hearty, protein-packed burgers are a delicious and affordable alternative to their meaty counterparts. They are perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a weekend barbecue. Mash together a can of black beans, some cooked rice, chopped onion, and your favorite spices. You can get creative with the spices. Cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and chili powder all work wonderfully. Form into patties and pan fry, bake, or grill to perfection. Serve them on a bun with your favorite toppings like avocado, lettuce, and tomato. Asterisk lentil soup. This classic comfort food is a nutritional powerhouse and a budget-friendly dream. Lentils are not only inexpensive but also packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Sauté onions, carrots, and celery, then add lentils, broth, and your favorite herbs and spices. You can use vegetable or chicken broth depending on your preference. Simmer until the lentils are tender and enjoy a warm and satisfying meal. This soup is perfect for meal prep and can be stored in the fridge for up to a week. Asterisk oatmeal. Don't underestimate the power of a humble bowl of oatmeal. It's versatile, nutritious, and incredibly easy to make. It's a blank canvas for flavor and a great source of fiber and nutrients. You can make it sweet or savory depending on your mood. Cook your oats with water or milk, then top with fresh fruit, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of honey. For a savory twist, try adding a poached egg, avocado, and a sprinkle of cheese. The possibilities are endless, and it's a great way to start your day on a healthy note. So there you have it. 3 easy, budget-friendly recipes to get you started on your culinary journey. Happy cooking. Small changes, big impact. Your health is worth it. Eating healthy on a budget isn't about deprivation or sacrificing flavor. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up to a big impact on your health and well-being. Start by incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals. Swap sugary drinks for water or unsweetened tea. Experiment with new, affordable ingredients, and don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. Every healthy choice you make is a step towards a happier, healthier you. Join the fun resources for budget-friendly cooking. You don't have to navigate the world of budget-friendly cooking alone. There are tons of amazing resources available to help you along the way. Check out websites and blogs dedicated to affordable recipes like Budget Bites and Good Cheap Eats. Explore online cooking communities and forums for inspiration and support from fellow food lovers. And don't forget about your local library. They often have cookbooks and resources on a variety of topics, including healthy eating on a budget. You got this. Embrace the delicious journey. Eating healthy on a budget is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, triumphs, and kitchen disasters. But through it all, remember to have fun, embrace your inner foodie, and never underestimate the power of a well-stocked pantry and a dash of creativity. So go forth, my fellow budget-conscious food lovers, and conquer those culinary challenges. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you.